Christmas morning casts a spell. The household starts to hum, and soon the sweet sounds come. Music, laughter, and a steeple bell. Crackling fires and crunching snow. Fa la la and ho ho ho. Listen, oh, I love the sound of Christmas. Caroling and jingle bells. Silent nights and first Noels. All around I love the sound of Christmas time. Some people love the Christmas sights. Wreaths and holly, the snowy trees and colored lights. Or lovely smells to smell, delicious taste as well. But it's a Christmas chorus that delights me. I know the stuff, that noise is what they say to ghosts and boys on Christmas Day. All that racket, I can hack it. Music to my ear. We got a rowdy clan, and they've all come, so I expect some pandemonium. Raise a ruckus, run amok, it's only once a year. Crackling fires and crunching snow. Fa la la and ho ho ho. Listen, oh, I love the sound of Christmas. Caroling and jingle bells. Silent nights and first Noels. All around I love the sound of Christmas. Listen, it's Christmas time.
I get it. Happy holidays.